Can police enter closed gated areas of a business to do security checks? Hey guys, my name is Anthony Bandiero. I'm an attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing to the Roadside Chat. This question comes from an officer in Utah. The officer says, look, I work in an area with a lot of businesses, and we'll occasionally do some business checks, for trespassers, burglars, locked doors and so forth, right? Open doors. Now, some of these businesses are fenced in, but the fences don't have locks. Now, without reasonable suspicion, without exigency, can we get into those fenced areas and conduct our sweeps, our searches, for these issues? Does that fall under community caretaking or some other doctrine, or is it wrong altogether? Thanks for all the stuff that you put out. All right, let's walk through this. So, what's interesting is that the officer, wants to potentially do things that other people can't do, right? We are looking, in this scenario, we are looking for trespassers. But in the meantime, what are the police doing? Trespassing, right? So it's wrong altogether. We shouldn't be doing it. The closed gate is most likely, right, in your state, whether it's Utah or somewhere else, in your state, an indication that it's not open to the public, right? So if somebody, a member of the public that was not associated with the business at 2 o'clock in the morning went past there, would they be committing a crime? And the answer is yes. So what is the officer doing when they go past that closed gate? Likely committing a crime. Am I saying they're going to get charged? I don't know, but I guess the problem is, A, we don't have the authority from the business to be there. And second, if we get into a use of force against a member, somebody who owns that business, right, who's there working late at night, hears a bump in the night and ends up having their gun in their hand and, bad things happen, well, what is that officer going to tell the court, right? The court's going to ask the officer, hey, what gave you the authority for you to be trespassing onto this business's property? And you're going to say, but Your Honor, I didn't mean any harm. I just wanted to help. I wanted to keep my community safe and try to get rid of trespassers. And the court will say, well, you don't have the authority to be there. So the use of force maybe is in question, right? And it can cause some dramatic and severe civil issues. So look, if you have indications that somebody is back there that doesn't belong there, that's a totally different story, right? As far as community caretaking is a doctrine that does require some articulation about why do you believe that the business needs or wants your assistance, right? A medical issue, unsecured door. Yeah, maybe community caretaking can apply, but you need facts first, not just a general, let me just make sure that my business district is locked up tight. I hope it's a very good question. I know that this stuff happens all over the country. So when I see questions like this, I really appreciate them because cops really are trying to do the right thing. However, sometimes doing the right thing is doing nothing at all and just watching or talking to the owner of the business and getting their permission and so forth. Keep the questions coming. If you like what I'm doing here, all I ask is that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you can share with your friends, that'd be great too. But at least those two things, share with YouTube that I'm getting this right and I'm helping cops around the country. Until next time.